live stream. These are your captains, STV and Gabe speaking. I hope you guys are having a wonderful and phenomenal fucking day. Dude, the Thigh Gap, you guys saw me absolutely drill it with Tesla, Amazon, and there was another Netflix all at once this morning. That was very fun. So let's see what we get after going into the end of the day today. We got special guest over here. We got Gabe coming on. But again, guys, a couple of announcements before we get in here. Make sure that you guys are signing up for your 90% off your first month before the price increase that's going to be happening. Make sure you guys get locked in. Over 90% off. It's $5 for your first month, guys. The QR code is on the screen here too. And remember, all you guys that wanted to jump into 3-year, you guys have until Monday to do that now. I think you guys have kind of heard why we've extended it. Has to do with Speed Racer, just kind of screwing around a little bit. We had to delay it. We didn't think it would be fair to delay it and then raise the price on 3-year. Then those of you guys that wanted to come back into 3-year would have to pay the higher price. So now you guys have until Monday to upgrade to 3-year. But other than that, make sure you guys slap the literal living fuck out of the like button on the way in. I don't want to see any slackers over here. And we're going to get after it in the market today, as we usually do.
Yes. Oh, yes. What's going on?
Oh, also, team, if you check out the latest content section of the Discord, I did post the swing trading video for you guys. So it's going out first on Rumble, and then it's coming out later to you guys on YouTube at 5:30 p.m. Eastern, right before the midweek masterclass. So you guys have enough time to watch that and then hop over to masterclass where you can take things a little bit further.
Ooh, you have masterclass tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Masterclass is going to be very fun tonight. We're going to talk about, we're going to do a little bit more on day trading with Thigh Gap, but the vast majority of it is going to be swing trading with Thigh Gap. I hope you guys are ready. It's going to be a fun time. It's kind of how I hit the AMD trades recently too. I mean, you guys saw me nail 30. So I ended up selling the rest of it at 30% on the June contracts, which were filthy. So, I mean, we're going to go over that. It's pretty fun.
Oh, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Exciting stuff. All right, how you guys doing? Let's get some thumbs up in the chat. Let's get some likes in the chat. And STV, it's your show. You lead the way. You just let me know when we're ready for call-ins.
Ooh, we can wait a little bit on the call-ins. I want to see you guys rip it up to 100 likes before call-ins. So until you guys get there, no call-ins. So 100's your goal. Then we will start taking some questions and having some fun with you guys on the phone lines. But other than that, man, I mean, the SPY's just kind of chopping around in here. You are seeing it starting to sell off. I mean, what did we expect? The market's just been on a little bit of a mission here. It can easily continue higher. I'm kind of on the side now where the data that's going to be coming out, if it's not absolutely horrendous, the market's probably going to react positively to it. We have a really big morning tomorrow with U.S. unemployment report, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings year over year, and then consumer credit at 3 p.m. So tomorrow morning is going to be a big showdown.
Ooh,
so get ready for that, guys. Get ready for that. Hit the like button. Freeloaders, join the community, says Life Wisdom. There you go. What did you guys actually? Let's do a little bit of a roll call. What are you guys at on your accounts today? I know a lot of you guys were nailing it with Thigh Gap. What are you guys at on your accounts today? Let's do a little bit of a roll call here before we get into everything else. Let's see. Gabe, how was your day with the master stream this morning?
Oh, it was incredible. I introduced the 357 Magnum strategy.
I like
if
it.
You know.
That would be a good video.
It could be, but this is for Masterclass. Masterclass gets
true.
Exclusive insight as to how my brain works.
That is true.
Yes.
Let's see. 1%, 2%, 1%, 2 for 2 only with 5% allocation up 1.3. Samuel's up 12. There you go, buddy. 4.5 with the traffic lights gave up this morning, minus 0.93. Hey, you kept your wrist tight. That's perfectly fine. That's not tomorrow. That's Friday. Today is Wednesday. I feel my bad, Hot Potato. You're right. Tomorrow's jobs report and Bullard speaking at 10. You're right. So it's not tomorrow. You're right. I feel like because tomorrow's the last trading day of the week, in my mind, tomorrow's Friday, but it's not. It's Thursday. I also told you guys earlier about how I'm a complete fucking dumbass and have to get on a plane tomorrow, but apparently I didn't have a ticket. So I did that. I literally bought the plane tickets on the stream with you guys this morning. So now I have them. We're good to go. It only cost me like $100 extra. to get it literally last minute, but it's okay. That would have sucked if I was trying to figure it out tomorrow after the stream and I was like, fuck, I don't have a ticket.
Wow. Okay. Man, let's see here. So the market just chose this direction,
It's
through and
peeking up a
through.
little here.
Yeah. You got the Qs and the SPY trying to make that bounce on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're looking at 1 minute thigh gap, you're getting it back in here. There's just a lot of chop on the 1 minute thigh gap. That's why I like to wait it out. I mean, you could have gotten a couple entries back here. It's just chopping around a little bit. So that's kind of why I stick to the 3 with it. But we'll go over that a little bit more today. I feel like there's been some confusion on that, on like what time frames to use and why. I mean, if I'm just playing the 1 minute, I'm going traffic lights. If I want to play thigh gap, for me personally, I'm going 3 minute. It's just a little smoother for me.
You like them smooth?
I do like them smooth. I do. All right, guys, you're almost halfway there to 100 likes for Collins. We have like 120 people watching right now. That means we have like 60 something of you slackers over here. That's not good. You guys are slacking.
Ooh, someone had a bad Tesla entry where they stopped too tight. Let's talk about it.
Where? Yeah, what time? Where was that? Where was that?
Where was that?
Tessie. I mean, this is Cave. It's gonna look wild, but this is what I did on Tesla today. So when you see this thing chopping around in here, every single time it was wicking and not triggering this this thigh gap to go dark, I was buying out right up here. It's like a dollar move on Tesla.
Oh,
thigh gap is so dirty, and these all fired off at the exact same time, guys. You guys remember this morning when I was like, "Oh, what the fuck just happened?" I had like a couple of different trades cooking there, all on the thigh gap, and they were just filthy. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. Thank you.
yeah.
Coinbase.
Will we ever cover futures trading? That's been a discussion, and we're trying to figure out if we tier that for 3-year and lifetime only as well. It's futures. You gotta know what you're doing. Futures are unforgiving,
Yep.
and that just requires more attention from STV and myself and making sure that you guys are absolutely prepared to play futures because, again, they do not forgive you for stupidity.
Oh yeah. You got to be very, very, very careful. But yeah, we've been having that in the pipeline. I mean, we're working on some futures algorithms. We got a lot of stuff that we have going on, guys.
Yeah. So, hope that answers your question.
Let's see. SPY just banging its head here on the 3-minute 48. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, this has kind of just been a nice little trend down day. I mean, until now, it's coming towards the end of the day here, so you could see some wild shit start to fire off. But if you've already made your money today or this week, there's really no reason to be trading right now. That's kind of how again, guys, method, mindset, money management. If you're always going to be hunting for more in the market, you're putting yourself in the position to fuck up more. Once you see your gains for the day, you're done. We were going over the compound interest calculator yesterday with you guys, and like, even if you're making like 1 or 2% a day, you're really, really, really cranking, which is what I want you guys to think about. Futures completely unforgiving. Yeah, I mean, with some brokers, I mean, somebody who's trading futures, correct me if I have the math wrong, but if you are trading on like the brokers that allow like that lower margin, like a 10-point move is like you blow up the position. It just goes to zero. And it can go lower. Like it's very, very, very risky. It can be very rewarding if you know what you're doing, but we have to figure out the best way to teach it because there are going to be people with different levels of experience that we can't have fucking it up.
All right, let's go and look at this Tesla trade. Daniel Mitch, you said 11:43. Okay, let's get there.
11:4. What is happening here? I don't understand any of this. Is it a 1-minute traffic light? I don't see why you would be getting anything in here. Look at thigh gap. It's just printing at 0. What are you doing?
This is Tesla at
Oh,
11:43,
that's the
180.
2 minute. I mean, the 1 minute's gonna be like, maybe here, but again, with thigh gap, it's just kind of teetering. And if you're using thigh gap here, even on the 1 minute, it's telling you that this right as it flips back here, you're out. Dark light, you're done.
There you go. The 24 should have been used as your risk.
Yeah. And Kenny, no, I believe the payment plan rollover is no longer happening. Unless Gabe, are we still offering that?
I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm looking at this trade.
No, I know. It's just like I don't. This wouldn't have been something that I would have taken. The thing was already probably down like 2% on the day. I don't. I would have been hunting for a clean reversal to back up. That's not something I would have traded there.
No. So your entries after the traffic light, you have a level that I've already printed. Then you got thigh gap there. Just I'm not a fan.
Yeah, like I wouldn't have like the thigh. Even then, like thigh gap's just printing really close to zero. I mean, even with 1 minute traffic lights there, guys, you're waiting for it to make a move in one direction and then start to make a clean move. Like you're not going to be taking all these damn traffic lights in here. They are super powerful and you can nail them. But I mean, if you throw this thing back on the 3 minute, look where you were getting signaled on Tesla. Well, you have this trade here at 11:15 where you can ride this thing about $1. And that's really the only trade here. That's really it. You're scaling out back at this 13. It ends up chopping its way down. You get stopped out in profit. I mean, you get this traffic light here that you could have taken. But other than that, man, I would not have been chasing Tesla to the downside after the moves that we had already seen on it.
Yeah. All right. So Danny Mitch, let me just help you here. Low probability play. Yes. Why? Well, you took that play during lunch hours. I mean, the meat of the moves are happening between market open and 11 a.m. usually. And then you're just waiting it out till you see a reversal. And this would be a signal of it. But let's see, you got your signal at 12:23. What you see mostly is just sideways action. And I mean, you got stopped out. I could see how you get stopped out. Whether you use the 24 or the 48 as your risk. Um, I think the better exit would have been the 24 here. That's why we have the 24 EMA there.
Mhm.
But you were ready at a level like that wouldn't have been. Yeah, that's not a good setup.
Yeah, it's not a trade that I would have taken. And again, I want you guys to think about this too. When we try to simplify things for you, it's like, yeah, you're really just trading traffic light, using it as your risk and things of that nature. But you also have to think with a little bit of like, I don't want to say common sense, but like if the market has already moved down or like the stock that you're trading has already moved down like 2% or a significant amount and you're seeing everything pretty cooked. Like if you look back here on like where is Tessie? If you look back here at where you were trying to take these trades, like I mean, yeah, you could say that the RSI is, but it's still relatively low. I mean, looking at this here, this thing has made a giant move down. The only thing that I'd be hunting for here is a move back up. You saw it break down, consolidate, started to make the move back up. You're basically just trying to catch it, hoping that it's going to do another one of these.
Yeah. 100% agree. All right, do we have 100 likes?
Not yet. All right, guys, run those likes up to 100 and we will start doing the call-in. So if you guys want to call us, have a nice little fun time, hear from some of our members over here, make sure you guys hit that like button, man. Don't be a slacker. We are at 56 right now. You guys can do it.
Wow.
Let's see. And Nancy, everything's just teetering here. Nothing too crazy. Oh, you guys are getting there. Okay, thanks for the review. No problem, Daniel. That's what we're here for, buddy. You go through CME, also a funded trader. Day reset is 410. Well, yeah, there's a gap. There's like a hour-long gap where it's closed, right? So you could have day margin or initial or overnight, which the overnight's usually going to be higher. Day margin, some of the brokers is like $500 a contract, which is really, really, really fucking risky. So careful with futures, guys. Because
I like it. We got 69 likes.
What?
69 likes.
There you guys go. 30 more, and you guys are gonna get there. Here we go, team.
Okay.
This is hilarious. I have some stuff cooking here, and they're moving in interesting directions.
This is fun.
Let's see. So you were playing Scared, up 4.7 on the day. There you go. Make that 10.4% this week. Teaser. Again, guys, what do you expect? Like with the tools that we provide you guys, with all of the live streams and everything, this is the best place to come and learn to trade. Tina, there is no alternative. You can continue getting led to the slaughter over there on wherever the fuck else you guys are trying to learn, or QR code right here, $5 to your first month. It's the cheapest and best investment you will ever make this year. Maybe even in your whole trading career, honestly. So I'll leave this up for a second. It is hiding Gabe. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. All
right, guys. We need 21 more likes.
We're getting there. We are getting there. It's actually kind of dumb. Dude, it's nasty. What thigh gap settings am I using on the chart? I'm using 1013. That's what I feel comfortable with. That's what I like.
I use 1013 as well.
You got fucked on the Tesla thigh gap reversal earlier because you didn't get enough time. Yeah, you also were late on it, Tyler. When we were talking about it, you were entering when I was exiting, dude. Like, I'm in these quick. Like, I caught basically $1 of the move on Tesla, and I think you were trying to enter back in here, but like it could have worked. But as soon as this thing goes dark, you're done. If you were playing tomorrow expirations, you definitely could have gotten slapped there.
Oh.
It's 50. Yeah, for micros, it's 50. Eli, but for minis, it's 500. Ooh, we are 15 likes away, team. Here we go. What I use 1013, Tyler. This is hilarious.
Oh my.
Because it printed R when you were exited. Yeah. I like to use 1013. The 2452 is going to be a lot smoother. 1348 is going to be right in the middle. It's like Goldilocks. For me, I like 1013, which is, we were covering that, what, on Sunday? We covered that in the Sunday masterclass. Where if you guys need that additional level of like, and if you're trading it with 1013 or 2452 either, you have to think about the gaps between those EMAs. You have to get more time doing that. We'll cover that more tonight. Because I think there's been a lot of some confusion on that for some of you guys. Not sure why, but we will cover that as well for day trading. Am I using different settings for different time frames? Nope. Let's see. Guys, we're 14 likes away from Collins. There we go. I like it.
Yeah, 12. Okay.
Let's see. Oh, also, here's what we're going to do as well. I'm going to throw this link in the chat. This is the link to the swing trading video. This is going to go out on YouTube today at 5:30. But if you guys are just itching for the swing trading video, it's over on Rumble over here. So there's that link right there if you guys do want to check it out. We're going to start making some more videos over here for you guys. Gabe and I actually have a little competition that's going to start cooking. It's fun. We're going to start making videos for you guys again.
Yes. I might have an unfair advantage, though.
Me? I think you do.
Well, okay, I'm fucking exhausted. I've been up since 4 a.m. I usually do the 4 a.m. stuff. But instead of trading at 4 a.m, because I don't need to trade at 4 a.m, even though it's like fun because I get to be like Dr. Evil, I get to make my videos at 4 a.m.
Ooh.
Yeah. Let's get it.
We are going to have some fun with this team. Ninja Trader account, but if you guys have better suggestions. I feel like Ninja's all right. Tradeovate's all right. TradeStation's all right. I think they all have their pros and cons. Watching your vid on Rumble, I feel like I'm ahead of the bunch. Yeah, all you guys over on Rumble. So all the videos now, guys, are going to be going out on Rumble first for a couple hours before. So yeah, you guys want to go watch that one? Go for it. But we are very, very close to taking some call-ins here, team. There you guys go. Nancy peeking its head up here a little bit. You got Coinbase getting some interesting candles here. Here we go. Let's see if this market's going to turn itself around here. SPY could come up here to 407.41. That would be a little interesting there.
Oh man. Oh man.
Can we view another trade? 100%, Tyler. Of course we can. Wait, you have videos on Rumble? Yeah, bro. Of course we do.
Well, he does, not me, not yet.
Oh, that's true. Gabe, you can say whatever the fuck you want on Rumble. You can make videos about whatever.
Oh shit.
You could be all crazy over there. They will never come for you there. Spy calls, 11:39, traffic light on the 3-minute. Gotcha.
All
This
right.
one?
I'm going to be
Oh, this
talking
is
about
yeah.
thigh
This
gaps
is
and asshole stretch marks. Let's go.
Tyler, if you're buying it up here, remember 11:39, perfect. You're waiting for this retest. So let's say it's coming down here, 407.05. You get another traffic light down here. Again, you basically just lost 20 cents. That's a very, very tight stop. You're trading with 2 days out. I mean, this is the other thing that we got to go over with the 3-minute. I'm trading 2 days out on the SPY, not one. So longer time frames, I'm always going to be getting a little bit more time. So the 1 minute I can get away with going 1 day out. If I'm just trading the traffic lights. With the 3-minute and thigh gap, I like 2 days out. That's what I was doing on SPY yesterday, and it was nasty. But yeah, Tyler, that's just a trade that didn't necessarily end up playing out. Asshole stretch mark is the next indicator. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, this is funny. Coinbase looking spicy here. Salesforce looking icky. Gabe, look at this. Ready?
Yeah, please do send.
Look at this.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh boy.
I like that one.
Oh boy. Is it bad to go further than 2 days out?
No.
It's actually preferred.
Yeah, I just don't like I just like the shorter expiration dates because I'm pinpointing my entries so that I'm out quick. That's the only reason. So when I get that little move, I can scale out at that 10%. Like those Amazon contracts today, guys. If you look at Amazon, and I told you, this is what I did. I only traded calls today on Amazon and was just murdering it on the 3-minute. You're gonna be like, how in the fuck did you do that? Well, if you look at this right here, I don't think it was this one. I think it was this bounce I played off of the tiny move, 10% scalp. And then I think it was here I did it again. Because I had 2 Amazon trades today that were pretty good. But it doesn't make sense to be able to scalp it like this. I mean, could I have followed this trend? Not really when you're looking at it like on the 3-minute. Maybe you catch something on the 1. Nope. But
Wow.
easy, quick scalps there.
All right, boys and girls, for those who are playing the SPY on a 1 minute and you were joining me on the masterclass show this morning, I want you to basically pay attention to the 2. Well, first you got the 13 EMA test, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys know the rest, right? Pay attention to it. To those, if you know, you know. The cadence is everything. Knowing your cadence is everything.
Ooh, guys, we are 8 likes away from 100. Who's going to be the lucky number? Then we can start doing the call-ins with everybody. That'll be fun. Here we go.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Let's see. Look at Tesla. What's up with Tessie? Tessie just clean traffic light. Boom. 184.78 to about 186. Boom. Is it better to wait for the retest? Yeah, dude, Tyler. Yeah. Any time that we're looking at a traffic light and it's extended on away from the 13, then you have to wait for the retest. Woo! We just hit 100. Thank you, team. Gabe, we can start the call-ins. So let me type the number in here for you guys.
They wanted it. They shall receive it.
All you lurkers are about to learn. You're about to learn. Here we go, team. Call us. Tell us why you're mad about something. Don't emotionally damage yourself, though, because that'll be tough. But there's the number on the screen, 978-545-2000. 1348, you can call in. It would be hilarious if like one of my apartment neighbors called and was like, "Can you please shut the fuck up?" Be like, "Sorry."
Be like, just for that, I'm inviting her over tonight, and I'm gonna keep you up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
These
man,
walls are thin. I got a lot of shit I gotta do tonight. I gotta pack. I gotta do the live stream with you guys. Make some short form videos. You know.
wait. So, are you packing all of your equipment?
No, I don't need to.
All right, there you go. Good. So it's like packing, dude.
Yeah,
all
this
your
is like the
packing is like 3 pairs of shorts and like 5 shirts. You're good.
Yeah. This is like the first 3 days and like since I graduated college that we have off, I think. But like we're still probably gonna be doing shit, just like not on camera.
Yeah, with me. I'll be calling you at 2 in the morning, like, we did it.
We did it.
We did it.
Let's see. Where am I going? I'm going to Florida. Like that trade that I took, entered right above the 48, was using that as your risk, but should have waited for the 13 retest, even though it might not have happened. On the SPY trade, Tyler? No. On the SPY trade that you're talking about, no, you're waiting for the 13 test. Because this gap right here is what, 407.26 to, it's a 20 cent gap. I mean, even if it just rips from here and you miss it, that's fine. Because I mean, you were looking at it potentially back here anyway on the 3-minute. Tyler, didn't I tell you to start looking at it like this? Didn't you say you were going to do this today? The extension moves? I thought you were going to start playing with it.
They don't listen, man. They don't listen.
I know. All right, guys. Phone numbers on the screen. Call us if you're brave enough. We'd love to hear from you guys. Some of your success stories, anything that you're struggling on, questions. 978-545-1348. Let's do it. Get ready for some heat. It's already hot as shit. Good. I hate the cold. I'm fully prepared for it to be warm out in my general vicinity for like a couple days. Let's see. Ooh, you guys are going crazy on Rumble. We might start trying to dual stream over there too. That would be fun.
That would be.
These are looking fucking interesting here. Let's see. Dude, it always gets so slow in the afternoons. There's like nothing happening.
Yeah, it's like watching paint dry.
That's how it feels like on the afternoon streams.
Yes.
SPY's starting to get a little spicy here. A little bit of spice. Again, 407.41. You got to watch that level there. If it can break that, make an attempt at that 200, that could get interesting. We'll see. This thing's not having all that much fun. Oh, Dude, these the way that I've been trading thigh gap, I've had so much fucking confidence even when the trades go slightly against me. It gives you really, really good scale-in opportunities too. Because if price goes against you and you haven't seen the thigh gap going the other way, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go over that too. Let me write this down because we have to go over a couple of things in the masterclass with you guys tonight before we talk about swing trading. Settings, scaling. This is gonna be dirty. 6 p.m. Eastern today, guys, for the midweek masterclass. Let's see. You missed the thigh gap reversal, so you played the traffic light. That's fine, Tyler. You just got to tighten up your risk and make sure you're waiting for those retests. Watching other things on your screen and you missed it. Tyler, if you missed it, you missed it. What was it? Yesterday, I think you guys saw me, or a couple days ago, I missed Netflix or something because I was dealing with NVIDIA. I didn't then go and chase Netflix once it ended up getting the traffic light. I just sat it out and was like, whoops, missed it. Like it happens. You're not going to hit every single trade. If you miss it, you miss it.
There you go. Oh, not only do we have a call-ins, but I have to make my announcement on who won 100 big ones.
Ooh, who was it?
I'm gonna have to go with Silent Ted. Silent Teddy here.
Is
I
Silent
like
Ted
your
here? We could
explanation.
everybody go ping him in Market Talk.
Yes, ping Silent Ted. I like it. I like it a lot. Someone was taking their homework seriously. Do I have to pay $100 for you guys to do your fucking homework?
They'll probably make a lot more than that if they do their dang homework.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. All right. So, Silent Ted, what I want you to do is I want you to reach out to Diana, give her your Cash App or Zelle number, whatever it is that you use, so I can do this instant transfer, and I'm going to send you $100.
Nice. Congratulations.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Maybe we should do more giveaways like that. I'll throw in $100 for one.
Yeah,
do a big
please.
one. We can do some big ones.
Oh man.
So Thigh Gap reversal, wait for it to be really extended to another move. Traffic light, wait for price to retest to 13. Yes. Those are two different things though, Tyler.
Dope,
yeah, so whoever, what was it? Silent Ted? Whoever that is, just send a message to Diana, send her your info, and you guys are good to go.
And you're good to go. You can make a quick $100, go get yourself maybe a steak dinner, some wine, pack of condoms, just get it in.
Dude, you know what I was thinking about doing tonight, Gabe? I've been eating so healthy. I've been going to the gym, doing everything that I need to do, but I saw that Wingstop had more flavors that I kind of want to try.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Rest in peace, Bang Hul.
I know. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. I got to think. I got to see where we end up later today. Does Lifetime still exist? No, just 3 year. Just 3 year. And remember, guys, the price of 3 year now, the final cutoff date because of all the delays with Speed Racer is next Monday at 4 p.m. So if you miss it, you miss it. We're not extending it anymore after that. And that's when the prices are going up on 3 years. So make sure you guys do that before then. Ideally, you're probably going to want to be in there tonight for the masterclass. But if you can't, then you can't. Go to Twin Peaks for wings when I come to where? In Miami? I'm not staying in Miami. It's like, nah, I just have to fly into Miami.
If they have a Twin Peaks over in the Keys, go check it out.
I could.
Yes.
I could. They don't have much over there. There are these wings, though, that I'm going to get when I'm down there that are so good.
All right. Rafflin Navarro says, any strategy for people with less than $25,000? We're glad you asked that question because, yes, this is the strategy, sir.
Mm-hmm. And and again, you don't need to be in a margin account. You shouldn't be doing that. I might make that short form video again or a YouTube video on this because.
Guess who's calling?
Is it Winning Loser?
Of course it is.
What up, buddy?
Nothing, man. Just chilling. I figured I'd try to continue from yesterday. Since yesterday there was technical difficulties.
Yep, but, we do have those.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? Shit, man. What was I gonna say? Okay, so yesterday, you guys had a caller, and Gabe said something to the effect of, "Hey, the guy had all this noise and all these people in the background." And Gabe said something to the effect, "Oh, these fucking bastards."
You have the noise in the background, Winning Loser. What are you doing? You're talking shit about the noise. You got the noise.
I do got the noise. They just started blowing those fuckers. But no. So you mentioned something about making sure they don't drop the soap or make sure you don't drop the soap, and it got me thinking. I know that prisoners in jail do have access to cell phones, and I'm curious if we have anybody that's in the 1348 community that's a prisoner and they day trade. I mean, what else do you have going on? I mean, if I was a prisoner and I had a cell phone and I found you guys, Are
you allowed to have phones? When my buddy was in jail, he didn't have a phone.
but some
No.
people
I
sneak
know
phones
guys in jail who have phones, bro.
Yeah, but I think it's not allowed. I think
Right,
it's like very frowned upon.
No, you
right, but
it's not a good thing.
but like, do we have somebody in the community that's in prison but just like spends time trading?
We had somebody
So
called
what's
Wanted
out?
Felon at one point. I haven't heard
Right,
from him in a
and he
while.
disappeared, right?
Yeah, he disappeared. So I don't think he's I don't think they're allowed to have phones in there. Your
Whatever.
friend Dennis is in
know
prison.
people
Did you
that
told
have
him about
phones, so-
1348? There you go, James.
So fun fact, I had a friend who was in prison. He did some time. Right, don't judge him. But he was selling
Nope.
cell phones for $1,000 a pop, and they were like simply flip phones. Little flip phones
Wow.
with like the card, and yeah, $1,000 a
Mhm.
pop.
Gabe, you met my
That
buddy
was
that
back in
was
the
in
day.
prison. It was for a week, but like the same he was in prison.
So
He had a 1 week
we already
sentence.
have a pimp in the community. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
Wreck-It
have any
Ralph.
prisoners in the community. Because if I was a prisoner in the community in the 1348, if I was a prisoner and I had access to 1348 and I knew I had 7 more years, I would be trading. So when I get out, I had a nice stack of cash waiting for me in an account.
That's what I would do too.
Just saying. So if there's anybody in the community who's a prisoner, you should call in.
Jesus.
If he hadn't already called in, and that guy was actually free. but yeah, you guys have a lot going on that, and it's beautiful. I mean, it's really great to hear some of the stories and the different walks of life and just the different way people trade, or I should say, were trading prior. And even, you have people who have been trading for a long time, and this has just upped their game and made things a lot easier. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's fucking grab this money from these fucking market makers. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So,
dude, whenever you
I
call
will
in,
say
you're gonna
that-
have to call us like on your shit break, bro, because it's so loud over there. You just get into the bathroom and just
Yeah,
like
they-
cuddle up in the corner. Yeah, you're
what I
gonna
do
have to
is
do that.
what I do is I kind of just I can't listen to the fly right now, but I was gonna say one of the biggest trades I had besides selling at about $68 a share in AMC when it popped up to 72, and I had only had 100 shares at $2.24. My next biggest trade I've ever had was it was last year in April. I think it was like April 9th when Netflix had their earnings call, and I knew that their earnings their earnings were going to be shitty because they had already pulled out of Russia. They pulled out all their accounts out of Russia, which were like a little over 2 million accounts. So that was lost revenue. And I think the market makers were at the time only pricing in like a 6 to 7% move on the contract. So I decided I bought one strike out of the money for a put. I forget the strike price, but I bought one contract for $330. I was just like, and that was at the very end of the day, like with the last 5 minutes to go. And I was just kind of expecting, to make a couple $100 off of it, just maybe double it for it. And their stock went down 30%. And when the market opened at 9:30, that $330 contract was $5,500.
Yeah.
And I almost shit myself. And so I was like, I'll take that. Thank you. Now, if I had waited a couple extra hours, if I had waited 2 more hours, that contract would have been up to $7,500. But at
Okay.
the same time, I was like,
I know you
I
know
don't
this,
care
but I
about the
have to
law.
say this for everybody listening.
that's
You
not
never
a
want to
normal
play
thing.
one directionally on earnings. And if you're going to do it,
Right.
only do it the way that I've taught you and I've explained is the smart way to do it with less than 1.5% of your accounts. you
Right,
can
which
get
is
caught up in
definitely
the
not
earnings
less than
hype. Like you can hit some big plays, but it is not something you want to do all the time. I can't remember the last time I played earnings.
I mean, I was okay with losing that $330. I mean, can I sit here and say it wasn't a YOLO? No, because it was. I kind of was just like, yeah, you know, but like I didn't care about losing the $330 if you know, if it went in the opposite direction. But
Yeah.
I was not expecting a 30% drop in the stock.
You caught a swan, bro. You caught a swan. It's happened. I've hit a few of them. I used to hit them on Intel, DocuSign. I hit one. I think I've hit one on Netflix. Facebook was a really good one. BJ's was one. Like I used to trade it all the time. But again, will tell all of you guys from experience, you don't want to do it. Like your account is just gonna wildly fluctuate. Yeah, it's like it's not a consistently profitable strategy, even if you know the math.
Right. I hear you. It's not a healthy gig.
No, I know. I'm just saying it for everybody in the audience. Just
your
to be like,
boyfriend's calling your name, bro. I'm messing with you.
I know. Now, because these guys are doing their work, and I'm not going to tie up the lines anymore. But you know, it's all just a key on having that fun. You know what I'm saying? So, good at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. Well,
all right, y'all.
It was good to hear from you, buddy. It was good to hear from you,
man.
It was good.
Later.
It was good to talk to you guys, and I'll check you guys out later.
Later, buddy.
Peace. Later.
All right, guys. I popped that QR code on the screen for a bit. Again, those of you guys that want to hop into the best trading platform on the face of the planet for retail, I mean, it's $5 for your first month. We still got time for some call-ins. We're gonna be on here for a while longer. Gabe, if you got stuff to do, you can dip out at any time. I would like you to stay, but I know you're a busy guy.
Yeah, I'll hang out till about 2:00.
Cool. So we got time for some more call-ins, team. So again, make sure you guys hitting that like button on the way in. Oh, dude, I can't wait to go over this shit in masterclass with you guys later today. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh yeah. I got something else for you guys.
What do you got?
You'll see.
Okay, I like it.
Let's see. All right, the AR guy, port now 1.4%. Oh, by the way, for those who are just like wondering, dude, look at AMC. Look at that barcode there.
Let's look.
If you scan it, it says popcorn. Yeah, if you scan it, it says popcorn. Let's see. Did we lose your audio? Hey, we got a call in. And you are live.
Hey, what's going on, fellas? It's C-Money.
What's going on, man?
Just checking in with you guys. I miss you guys. I'm back to my busy season, so I haven't been able to get on as much.
Okay. Let's see. STV's gone mute.
No, I fixed it.
Okay, there you go. He's back.
Who is this again?
Yeah, so C-Money.
Oh, what up, buddy? How you doing?
What's going on? So I've been switching over and doing more of like the swing trade thing since I can't really sit in front of the computers as much.
Yep.
No, it's not bad. I'm using the daily chart instead.
Yeah. So what it does is, and this is something that I think a lot of people could benefit from. You're a lot more picky in the trades that you're taking on the daily because you know you're going to be in them for an extended period of time. So you almost have to just be like, all right, well, I'm going to have to deal with this position in my portfolio for an extended period of time. And you want to make sure that it's going to be a really high quality setup. Now, the thing that people do when they're swing trading versus day trading, and this is something that I think using the 3-minute thigh gap in the way that I've taught you is super important. It allows you to be very patient. So with those day trades, you could have a list of tickers that you're looking at. If let's say you have 5 tickers that you're looking at, if 3 of them are not giving you what you need, but 2 of them are, then you can then focus your focus in on those. With day trading, since everything's moving so quickly, you're almost like, oh, okay, I'll take this one. But you want to be able to relax yourself and make sure that you're going to be able to get not only enough time. I think you're doing the right thing here. Swing trading can be very, very, very fun.
It's fun. The only thing that I'm still making that mistake is my greed. Like I'll see that I'm in profit on a day, and I'm like, I think I'll stick around for a while, thinking that it's gonna pan out. And sometimes the next day I'm taking it like for a small loss instead of taking that gain. So I gotta kind of remember just when it's green, take it.
Yeah. I mean, what are you waiting for? Like, okay, so what's your end goal? All right, first off, right? What's your risk to reward? Are you going into the trade with a set risk to reward? Are you risking 100 to make 200? Guys, these are things that need to be defined, right? Because if you're in a play and then sometimes you go ahead and you look at the chart and you say, okay, well, given the current volatility in the market, because the market's just been going up, down, welcome to Six Flags, right? You have to go ahead and definitely take advantage of what the market is giving you. So if you're green, when in doubt, pull out. When in doubt, pull out. If you don't see a level, if the indicators are working against you, if price action is showing you, hey, chill out with your greed, you believe it. You better believe it. In that moment in time, you better believe it, right? So it's one of those things where you have to go in with a set plan. Some have a 2-to-1, others have a 3-to-1. Some want to risk 100 in their position. So, if you're going to take a $5,000 play, you're going to risk 100 to make 300. That's a 3-to-1 or a 1-to-3, right? Risk reward. But these are plans that you need to have with every trade, especially with the daily. The reason being is that the daily will sometimes spoil you. And you might see yourself, you wake up one morning like, holy shit, I'm up 300%. I want more. You see? And sometimes you just have to say, well, shit, it gave me more than I deserve. I'm up 300%. Yeah, this play definitely, exceeded my expectations because my plan was already set in stone before I took the play. And the benefit that you have now for 9-to-5ers, the traffic lights are epic. 1348 crosses are epic on the daily. But it gives you more time to plan, right? It gives you a lot more time to plan. That means you're drawing your levels at 4:02. You get the alerts, which we provide. STV, I don't know if you've shown them that we provide traffic light alerts on the daily.
Oh yeah. 4-hour
So-
daily. Those are killer. I use those every single day when I'm setting up swings.
Right. So what you do is you have the daily. You go ahead and look for your levels on the 4-hour. Look for your levels on the daily. Just draw them out, and now you have a plan. Then you write down your risk to reward. Do not deviate from it. Ever.
Yeah.
The other
Ever.
thing too, C Money, is when you get a chance. So I posted the swing trading video on Rumble earlier. So the link is in latest content. But it's going to be going out on YouTube today at 5:30. I would say if you're swing trading a lot, you have to watch that video. There's a couple of key nuances that are going to help you a whole lot when you're setting up these swings, entering them, scaling out, managing the trades, finding the trades. There's a couple of key things that you have to know and implement time and time again that I'm not sure if you are right now, but you got to make sure that you are implementing those things, because it makes you a lot more successful. Like, I haven't lost very many of these swing trades, and they've all been very good by using the thigh gap, the traffic lights, this scaling in and scaling out. It's really, really powerful. AMC will make us rich.
If I follow to the T, if I follow to the T of what the charts are showing me and what the traffic lights show me, then I would be, not 100%, but I would be better percentage than I am now. But I have like this mental block where I'm like, oh, now I'm taking them, months out just because why not? Like give myself the time. But for some reason, I'm in the money, and I'm like, I got plenty of time though. I got to stop thinking about who cares about how much time I have on it. Just take my profits.
Right. Like, for example, today I had AMD puts that expired in June. They were up 30%. It was a pretty nicely sized position. I'm out. Give me my 30%. I'm good. I was scaling out at 10. I was scaling out at 20.
Yeah.
The thing was down. I don't know. AMD at one point today was down 4%. I'm out. Thank you. Give me my money back. I'll continue to make money in the market otherwise.
Yeah, makes sense.
But yeah, definitely be on the lookout for those videos.
Good talking to you.
See Money, thanks for the call,
I will,
man.
yeah. I'm gonna try to check. All right, guys. Have a good one.
Peace.
Have a good one, bro.
King Gerald, I would like you to call in. King Gerald coming in here saying AMC to 100K. AMC will make us rich. Please call in. We need to save you. If you didn't see us for like the last 6, 7, 8 months telling you that Ape was killing it, that the day it came out that it was going to come down, please call in. We built this platform for people like you. We want to help you, dude. We really, really, really do. There are people out there still just feeding you with nonsense, man. Please let us help you. But yeah, lines are open, team. Gabe's got a few more minutes here before he's got to get back to doing his thing. You can stay on until 3 if you would like to. I like doing these dual streams.
Oh, I like them too. I got shit to do.
I know.
But if I free up, I will come back on.
Nice. Perfect.
Yeah.
But dude, it honestly makes me sad that people are still saying things like that about AMC once the situation has just drastically changed. I mean, it is what it is, man. I mean, we all wanted it to go, but after they fucked it up with Ape, there's no amount of you have to have some sort of responsibility to yourself and your audience to say, hey, this is bad. This is not good. And tell people that this is most likely going to come down, which we did. But it just makes me sad that people still listen to those other people that weren't saying that were just using their audience for clicks and views every day.
Pretty much. And shout outs to Diana who worked it out with Nick.
There
he's
we
in
go.
The UK here. He's in the UK, so we had to do it through PayPal. But sir, you're paid up. Thank you so much for your contribution to the community.
Sending him some British pounds over there. There you go, man.
Yeah.
There you go. I know. Don't be like Thomas. We were trying to save Thomas, and Thomas disappeared that one day. We couldn't find him. Nick, what up, man?
Yeah, man. Cheers, brother. Cheers. Love
now
to
that
see
you've
you.
done your homework, you got the $100 from Gabe, and you're probably making more money in the market too. Make sure you guys are doing your homework. When we task you guys with stuff, be like, hey, you guys should probably look at this. You should probably do it. Let's see. Shout out to your fellow UK 1348er. Dude, we got people from all across the world printing money in the American markets. I mean, you guys are also trading crypto sometimes too. Some of you guys have access to futures. Making it work. It works on everything. Traffic lights, THIGAP works on everything.
It works on everything.
I was telling Gabe the other day that I technically could, if I really wanted to, trade blind with just THIGAP. Am I going to? No. Because I like having that additional context, but I could do it.
I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it.
Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do say all right, I'm gonna take $1,000 and fuck around with it for a week and literally just have THIGAP on my charts and see what happens.
Oh man. Yeah, fun fact, I'm one of those kind of guys who's really, really hard on myself, so I don't like to lose. I mean, I'm not a sore loser.
I don't like losing either.
Yeah, I just don't like losing. So if I'm gonna do something willy-nilly with the possibility of losing, I'm probably not taking that bet. But hey, you know what? The THIGAP is as crystal clear as pretty much any other indicator out there right now.
I think it's better because the reason why the THIGAP is the best indicator ever is it's one of the only indicators out there that's not lagging. It doesn't lag price action. Because that's what happens sometimes with these indicators. They're going to be lagging indicators. The way that I've taught you guys to use THIGAP, it's laser focus. Maybe it's lagging by a candle, but you're not scalping a candle, are you? You wish I had the London LSE, London Stock Exchange, or London School of Economics. I'm guessing it's London Stock Exchange. But let's see. Ooh, Sharky Shark. Let's see. Do a paper trade with it? Nah, I don't want to paper trade it. That would be silly. That would just be me wasting my time. Like, at this point, if I'm going to do it, I'm throwing real money in there. Why would I like, if you're new, you need to paper trade to understand exactly what the system is, how to navigate your broker. But like at this point, it's like, I would just play with it.
All right, guys, we got 5 minutes. I'm willing to take one more call, then I got to break out.
One more call, 978-545-1348. Call in, and we will have some fun with you.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do it. Let's see. Who wants to call? We got like 200 something of you guys in here as well. Also, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on your way in. Helps with the algos. Oh, what up to all the new Rumble people? Hello, everybody. How you doing? Damn. You guys are flying over there. Thank you.
Oh,
Appreciate
boy. Uh-oh, SGV.
What'd you
Overnight
do?
celebrity. Watch out, Matt Kors.
it. Hey, if I start streaming over there, showing everybody the 1348 sauce and the thigh gap and the traffic lights, it's game over. I just got to figure out how to set up the streaming software. I know the stock
you
market very
chose
well.
violence. You're
What?
choosing violence, sir.
I'm gonna show everybody over there on Rumble. I feel like those are our people over there on Rumble. Like they're like, yeah, fuck this. I'm gonna go make my money. Fuck everything else. YouTube is just soft most of the time. Like people in the live stream, like, not you guys. The 1348 community, you're our people. But like I feel like the people that aren't in it, they're just like softies. Which is not a fun thing to do. Masterclass at 6 p.m. tonight. Yes, sir. We got a great masterclass prepared for you guys tonight.
STV, text me your address because I'm going to buy you a Matt Kors fanny pack so you could bitch slap him with it.
I don't want one. And those are for charity, I think.
Oh. They always say it's charity.
It is charity. It's a donation thing.
Oh. Well, damn it.
You can still donate. It's probably a good cause.
No, I want you to bitch slap him with a fanny pack.
But it can't be the fanny pack. That's the fucked up thing. This is why people are just stupid. They didn't realize it was like the people on like on Twitter who were like, you're selling shit. It's like, it's a fucking fundraiser, I think. Like, shut the fuck. Like the Twitter people just
Hey. So I bought like 47 pounds of popcorn. You want a couple of bags and smack the shit out of him with that?
Sure.
There you go. There you go. That works.
I'll take popcorn. I like popcorn.
Oh, you're gonna like it, dude. That popcorn's fucking amazing.
Is it? I've never had it. It looked good.
Oh, dude, this is yummy. Yummy. Who ordered the popcorn from the Discord for that fundraiser? Man, that popcorn was the best popcorn I ever had in my damn life.
Dude, I like the caramel, like the sweet one. You said you had some jalapeno one? That one sounded good.
Oh, dude, the jalapeno ones are fucking amazing. And then they have the caramel cheddar infused together. Dude, amazing. Like, your mouth doesn't know what it's experiencing at that point. That's what she said last night.
We ordered AMC popcorn? No, we didn't. It's like Gabe bought it for like you made sure like what, your neighbor won the competition?
No. It was a member of the Discord, his daughter. Like,
oh.
Yeah. She was like in third place. I was like, man, I'm ordering 47 pounds. I want her to win because there's nothing but winners in our community.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man.
You're going to have popcorn for like the next 2 years.
No.
Is that your diet now? Popcorn?
It'll be gone in 2 weeks.
47 pounds of popcorn? That's crazy.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Let's see. But yeah, Zeke, yeah, we are on Rumble now. It's sweet. I like it. It looks cool. It's very confusing.
I didn't know so much popcorn. I'm shitting styrofoam.
Ah! Let's see, what's this doing? Ripping. This thing's flickering. Did Spy ever cut? Dude, Spy, we've been on the stream for like however long, an hour, and fucking it still hasn't come up to that 407.50 level. It's just slow.
Oh, yeah. Very slow.
Tessie making a run? Oh, Tessie heading up there. Now they're going in the opposite directions. Nonsense.
Oh, boy.
Let's see. Yeah, masterclass tonight is going to be sweet. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what I was looking at here on AMD. Oh, hold on. That's not it. We're also going to talk about the weekly, but this is what AMD. Ah, look at that thigh gap. It's nasty on the 4-hour.
Oh, boy.
Boop,
Have
top
fun,
tick.
guys. All right. I'm signing out, peoples.
Later,
Love
buddy.
ya. All right. I'll try to be back. I'll text you.
Okay, cool.
Peace.
Peace. All righty, team. Throwing that QR code back on the screen for all you lurkers out there. And again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. And follow me on Rumble, team. We're gonna be cranking on Rumble. I just gotta figure out like how to dual stream. It's like really difficult. I just don't know how to do it. Like I just don't know how to do it. Spy's trying. Is he getting there? Yeah, 407.41. That's the first level, then the 200, 407.50. So it's really 407.50 is what you have to break. Let's see here though, team. But yeah, again, you guys have until Monday in order to get that super low price for 3-year. You're gonna get the masterclass tonight. There's no masterclass this Sunday. It's Easter, so we won't be doing a masterclass this Sunday. But then we are back at it. We are back at it on Monday with you guys. All right. Let's see what we're getting over here. Dude, coin is just a wild boy. Just flying all over the place. All right. Man, oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Bye. Hello. We will be at church. Fair. Exactly. Exactly. All right, team. What are we going to get here? What is the market going to give us? Oh, no. Dixie turned down. That makes the Spy happy. That makes sense. What about TLT? Yeah, not really a movement here. Dixie on the 3. Yeah, dollar headed lower here. I mean, it's sitting on that 3-minute 48. Also, we should do a poll. Should I get those new Wingstop chicken sandwiches tonight, or should I eat ground chicken and egg whites? I don't know, because I know I'm going to eat some like real good food this weekend, so I don't really want to be a fat fuck today. And I feel like at the airport tomorrow, I'm going to do some willy-nilly shit with food. I don't know. We'll see, because I can't really go to the gym today either, because I got to stream with you guys. Decisions. Wingstop. I mean, see, here's the thing. Like, they're good, but they're not that good. Egg whites and turkey. Keep it clean. All right. So we have 2 votes for egg whites and ground chicken. We have 1 vote for Wingstop. Either way, I'm eating chicken. It's just what other type of chicken? We're going to get their eggs in there? We're going to get their eggs involved, or what are we going to do? Chicken and egg whites? Oh, I think chicken and egg whites is going. You guys are just trying to get me in real good shape, huh? Is that what we want? All right, cool. I'm hungry as fuck right now. I'm also not eating 6 eggs a day anymore, or 12 eggs a day anymore. I'm going to eat 4. We're going to cut back on that one. You know, just kind of let it fly that way. What did chicken fetuses? Jesus. Drop some Tabasco on the chicken eggs. All right. No. So here's how I make my eggs, which is Tabasco would be good. But here's what I do. I have this like chili something that I like put in the bottom of the pan after I like butter it. Then I throw the egg whites in there. Then I crack 2 eggs. Then I put a shitload of garlic powder, onion, salt in this sriracha seasoning, which is fire in there. And those eggs are wonderful, bro. So you eat whole eggs, also just the way. Well, I throw like egg whites in, and then I also have like 2 eggs in it, you know? A liquid IV fast? I don't think we could do that. I don't think we could do that. Coin running here a little. Nah, not really. Just bouncing back above 60. Turmeric powder, superfood? Ooh, I could do that. I like sweet potatoes too. I think sweet potatoes are like my favorite vegetable. Brussels sprouts are good, but if you fuck them up, I'm never gonna eat hard ass Brussels sprouts. They can go fuck themselves with that. All right. Tassie's ripping up here a little bit. Let's see. Tassie going. Let's see what's going on over here. All right. AMD's trying to push the 200. I mean, yeah, that's why I was fucking out of them today. Like, you give me this in the morning, I'm out of the swing. 200 on what? The 1 minute? Yeah, it is. It's pushing the 200 on the 1 minute here. Why am I on the 15? Nobody cares about the 15. It's nasty on food. Okay, so then on the sweet potato waffle fries. How in the fuck are you doing that? I don't know, bro. I just eat sweet potatoes. I mean, I have them a lot because there's this one place that I go for lunch that has them. It's pretty good. Restaurants sometimes burn the Brussels sprouts. I actually like that. I would rather them burn the Brussels sprouts and have them like, I don't want hard Brussels sprouts. If you undercook them, they're hard as fuck. I would much rather have overdone Brussels sprouts any day of the week than underdone. Because I will not eat them. I don't want to be like, sounds fucking terrible. They come like that at the store. Oh, I've had those then. Yeah. I know what you're talking about. All right. AMD peeking. Hello. Let's see what we got here. Thinly sliced Brussels stir fry with some pancetta. Bro, pancetta. Don't even get me started on pancetta, bro. Don't even get me fucking started on the pancetta. Frito pie? It's a New Mexican thing? I don't know if you guys know this. I'm not privy to like new Mexican culture foods coming out. I wish I was. Sounds fucking awesome, but like I haven't really seen any of that. I'm still on like tacos, burritos, and bowls, like that type of thing. I don't know where we evolved to Frito pie, but it sounds interesting. Like I'm on the classics, dude. You're bringing out not the new stuff. I don't know what's going on there. It sounds great. I just don't know. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps get some more people in here. Up 5% on the port. Much love for what you guys do. Slowly getting this. Yeah, peace and love. I love to see you guys win, man. Again, make sure that you guys are getting that special deal over 90% off your first month before the prices go up. It's pinned to the top of the live chat over there. I'll throw the link to it with that little messaging in there as well. Again, monthly prices will be going up. The amount of value that is offered to you guys for the low price that it is. I mean, again, everybody that's already in there, prices are staying the same. But if you guys are on the outside looking in, prices are going to be going up. So again, make sure you're in there before that happens, or you're going to be subject to the higher price. But again, it's not really going to matter because of the amount of money that you're still going to be making. It's probably going to be more than what you're paying. Quit talking about food. I'm starving on a fast. Dude, I had fucking a little bit of egg whites today and fucking 2 eggs. I'm hungry as shit. Have I had Qdoba yet? No, but I really want to. I've seen some advertisements for it, and I'm like, that shit looks good. Haven't had Qdoba yet. Testy little sharky shark. See, here's the other thing, too, that I've kind of fucked myself with the scheduling. When I do this masterclass with you guys at 6, that's eating time. So I can't really eat before if I'm going to do Wingstop. But like if I wait after, I'm going to be so incredibly hungry with you guys on the masterclass stream later today that I'm just going to be like, oh no, I can't think, which is probably not going to happen. My brain can still function at no food, but you know, you guys get it. And I'm out of coffee over here. Worst case, either the first month, just try it out. And yeah, it's just a cup of coffee that can change your life. Exactly, Morrow. I mean, dude, the results are there. You guys know exactly what we're offering everybody. It's the best. It's world class. You're never gonna find anything else like this. It's just up to everything you've ever wanted out of the market's been right in front of you the entire time. But everybody still has that little ape mentality that you're like, no, bad STV and Gabe. And it's like, hey, dickhead, we were the only ones that were telling you when these things were going to go down before they went down like 80 something percent. So you should probably listen to the people that know what they're doing, right? That would make logical sense. But people just don't have logic. It's okay. First futures paper trade, made like $300. What was the risk on it though? That's good. That's really good, Eli. What was the how many? What you trade minis? You trade micros? Where were you trading? Because you got to be careful with futures. Futures gets a little icky sometimes. It gets icky. Hey. Let's see. I actually might be able to go to the gym. I actually think I can. I think that's allowed today. I think I'll have enough time. I just have to pack. That's the problem. I have to pack all my shit because I'm live streaming with you guys all day tomorrow. So I got to pack a bunch of stuff. Hunger or teaching. Oh, how the problems become so different when you're printing money. I know. Saw the Matrix. There you go. Tuxedo Flex. I like that. Packing is easy if you already did laundry. Yep, haven't done that. So that's also on the list. But also, hey, at least I have a confirmed flight now. Because as of this morning, the airline had no idea I was coming, but I thought I was. That would have been really bad, dude. Yeah, I saw that Life Wisdom. That's sad. Rip. Dun, 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 dun. Sponsored by Snuggle Dryer Sheets. Bring a travel bag and buy what you need there. Can't do that. I still need clothing. It's all stuff about the banks that was said. I think getting the cost to borrow has something to do with it. Yeah, it's all nonsense, bro. As well as the obvious, could you break that part of AMC down for them? Cost to borrow is irrelevant. The reason why the cost to borrow is so high because everybody wants to short the fuck out of it. It's literally just supply and demand. It's easy. Very simple. Supply and demand. If more people want it, the price of whatever that good is will go up. You also can't squeeze a winning trade. The trade is winning on the short side. So simple. It's not that hard. It's pretty simple to understand as well. I just wish more people did. Dun, 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 dun. All right, market. What are we gonna do here? You gonna do anything cool? You're just gonna fuck around. Woo! You guys are ripping it on Rumble. I appreciate that. Actually, let me grab that link to this video again, team. Here is the link to that swing trading video that's out on Rumble now, but it is going out on YouTube later today at 5:30 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. So if you guys are on Rumble, make sure you guys are following me over there. We're going to be putting out the content first on Rumble, then on YouTube, just because that's how I want to do it. But yeah, let's do it, team. Carry on size changes, so double check your bag. I'm not doing a carry on because fucking JetBlue is always like, we're gonna try and fucking squeeze money out of you on a carry on now after COVID. So fuck you, JetBlue. Just kidding. I like JetBlue. You know what I do hate though? American Airlines. Fuck them. You know why? Because they don't have any movies. So I was sitting there staring at the back of the chair for like 3 hours. Pulled in a quick 85% from a call on the SPY pop from 406.40 to 407.50. Risky 0 day, but it worked out. Hey, Brian, as long as you have good risk management and you're trading with less than like 1% of your account on that, I don't really have a problem with it. If you're over leveraging on it and actually going crazy, then yeah, you gotta reel that back in. But yeah, fuck American Airlines. They had a bunch of nonsense and I couldn't watch any TV on it and I had no entertainment because my phone is from fucking 2014 or something. So I was completely fucked that whole flight. So it could be my fault, but it's not. I'm blaming them. That's how it works. We're blamed American Airlines. First class? No, dude. First class is a scam. Unless it's on like a international flight and you're flying for like 13 hours or like 15 hours, then maybe. But like first class on like domestic flights, there's nobody in the history who's going to be able to convince me that that's a smart idea. You guys know me. I like to go to the playground. I'm not buying first class tickets. It's the same fucking seat. What are they going to make you a ham sandwich? Or it's like a fucking $600 ham sandwich with the difference between like the normal seats and the thing. Fuck you. I don't want your damn $600 ham sandwich. Sorry. I think first class on domestic flights is stupid. That's like one of my hot takes. I think it's dumb. Also never done it. So have flown private though. At least you can watch the Masters on JetBlue. Can I? Influencers intentionally complicate the movement. If you know how to read the momentum, you can see through their BS. Yeah, exactly, dude. They're idiots. Morons. SB airline rant. I'm here for it. What else did I do on a plane? Other than your wife. Let me think. If you swing a player, are you able to sell in pre-market? No, you can't do anything until the market opens because the options market isn't open pre-market. If it's shares, yeah, but if it's not shares, then no. I've been on a flight before where everyone has paid speedy boarding. Oh, you want to know what my other hot takes is about airplanes? This is the wild thing, and this is another reason very similar to the car example of why I think people are just dumb in general. And those of you guys that have seen the light will realize that like just most people are just like, I don't get it. But this is another thing. Why do people take so much fucking time to take their time to get off the damn plane? Why are we taking our time lollygagging and getting off the plane? The other thing is if you're in the back, you can't just speed to the front. You're an asshole. The people in the front need to know that once the plane is and you're ready to get off, you need to get your shit and fuck off so that everybody can get out of the plane. And we're not sitting there for a half hour waiting for you to figure out how to open the thing, get your bag, and walk. Figure it out. Yes, total bullshit. See? I'm telling you, bro. One time I was sat next to this old lady that smelled. It sucked. First class privileges. I sit in the back of the plane every time. I pick whatever has an aisle seat. You know why? You guys see it on the streams all the time. Sometimes I just got to use the bathroom a bunch. And I don't want to be stressed out because some asshole decided to fall asleep for a couple hours on the plane. Then I got to wake them up and be like, sorry, got to go to the bathroom for the 5th time. I'm drinking all this water. You got to plan ahead, guys. You got to plan ahead. If you use the bathroom frequently, aisle seat. Who wants the damn window anyway? You're literally just looking at clouds. You're just staring at clouds. It's just white. Everybody's like, I want the aisle. I want the window seat. What are you looking at? Those are the bots. Now I'm just, dude, every single time I know I'm going to hate, something's going to happen tomorrow when I'm flying and I'm going to be like, fucking, I hate this. I hate flying. Not because I'm scared of flying. I don't give a shit. It's fine. If it goes down, it goes down. I'm chilling, whatever. But it's because of all the nonsense, like the delay. They don't tell you the gate change. It's all of this shit where I'm just like, I hate it. I need to stop sucking at life and fly private. They're looking for UFOs. You're not going to find any. Don't take that 4-gallon massive bottle of water with you on the plane then. I don't. You can't even get that shit through security, bro. They're going to think that this liquid IV is an explosive. Like, how does that work? I don't know, but that's what they think. You got stuck between 2 fat people. That sucks. Or a man on the wing. Newsflash. There is no man on the wing. You guys know me. I just hate flying. I just hate it. It's just like, ugh, fucking. I also hate people. Okay, now that we're on this, now that we're just going off for all our pet peeves when the market's settling down over here. All right, I'm gonna let you have it. You know what I hate? I hate when people wear masks outside or in their car. What is wrong with you? You're gonna get a cold? Fucking figure it out, bro. What are you just so like evolutionarily like behind that you can't figure your body can't figure out how to heal a common cold these days? It's COVID's over, bro. Figure it out. Even when it was there, it was like, yeah. I hate it. What are you doing? Stop. Like, what's going on here? I don't understand. See, this is why we got to be on Rumble, bro. I can say whatever the fuck I want. Because YouTube's going to be like, hey, bro, you can't say that. Fuck off. You guys all know it's weird to wear a mask outside in 2023. Don't think that I don't know that you know this and you're just going to say it's not because it's fucking, you're just trying to be politically correct. I don't give a shit. You wear a mask outside, you're a weirdo. Especially in a car by themselves. Yeah, that shit's weird. What are you doing? You can't, what are you trying to protect yourself from yourself? You're scared of yourself? That's another thing. Let's just keep ripping them off. I'll think of another one that just like pisses me off. I'm like, what are you doing? There's a lot of things that just like, it's nonsense, bro. Just all sorts of nonsense. All right. Keep smacking the like button on the way in. I'll think of some more. Don't worry. Don't you worry. There's a lot of things that randomly piss me off. Oh. Found another one. I got another one for you. This doesn't make me angry. It just like stresses me out a little bit. Okay. So usually I do self-checkout at CVS because I just am quicker at it and I can pretty much do the thing, zero bag, skip thing, whatever, like really quickly. So I'm in and out of there quick. I'm efficient. I don't need to be fucking around in a store for a while. I have shit to do. But when I have to buy a pack of gum, the only place to get the gum is at the front register where they, what do you call it? Where like there's other people in line. Now, the problem is that I don't want to wait or reach around the person standing right there to like grab the piece of gum that they're standing right in front of because the next register just opened. That's always awkward. And I'm just like, like, dude, it's just bots in real life. You've seen people swimming with face masks, waterboarding themselves. They deserve to be naturally selected at that point. You jump into water with a face mask on, Darwin should come and fucking snatch you up. Bro, come on. You can't do that. That's ridiculous. I understand if you mess it up and you're wearing like a Spider-Man costume and somebody throws you in the water and you're like accidentally getting wet. That's fair. I don't think you're stupid for that. I just think your friend's an asshole. But if like you just jump in the water with a mask to happen. Real life NPCs, that's what they are, dude. And if any of you guys do any of these things that I'm mentioning, figure it out. You're going to need to figure it out. Let's see here, though, everybody. What else? Oh, this is also what pisses me off when the plane lands and then you just drive around forever. Like, you guys ever have that happen? Where the plane lands and then you drive around for 30 minutes. I'm like, hey, sorry, bud. I don't really give a shit about the tour of an entire fucking airport. Just park it and let us get the fuck off. I'll get out on the fucking runway. I don't care. Get me off the plane. People clapping when it lands. That one doesn't piss me off as much. You can clap if you want to. But they should play Round of Applause by Waka Flocka when the plane lands. That would be fun. Yeah, the clapping when it lands doesn't bother me. I don't care about that. Because if you're scared and you're like, woohoo, you're all amped up. Like, because here's the thing. If you have enough energy and you're so excited that the plane has just landed, think about this. I bet you never thought about it this way, huh? If you're so excited that the plane has just landed that you're clapping, you're actually scared of being on the plane. So what are you going to do? You're going to get the fuck off quick. You're not going to lollygag and be like, let's hang out on the plane with everybody. No. I hate that shit, bro. All right, guys. Keep smacking the like button on the way in over here, especially for those of you guys just filtering in. plane has to drive 30 minutes to get to the runway. Remind me never to go to Amsterdam. I'll have an aneurysm. I will legitimately have an aneurysm, bro. I'll be like, oh, this is the other thing, but this is just me being a hermit. If somebody random just starts talking to me in like a public setting at an airport, I don't like that. Usually I don't like that. One dude was trying to tell me one time that he was like this big sale. He literally just comes up to me and just starts like flexing. And I'm like, oh, all right, bro, cool. I'm just sitting there minding my own fucking business. And he's talking to me about how he like sells shit. And I'm like, cool, what do you sell? And he's like, these insert things. And I'm like, that's great. Do you like call them? You sell them to like Shoals and stuff? You got like big distributors, you got all that stuff. And he's like, no, I work in the store. And I'm like, I was like, you're not fucking. All right, bud. Congrats. I'm happy you're employed. All right, leave me alone now. All right, let's see. You probably get off the plane faster with a stroke. Oh, I should do that. I was like, why are you telling me? Why are you trying to tell me all this stuff? He was trying to tell me how much money he was making. I was like, bro, what? I'm literally just sitting here saying, cool. Yep. Cool. Do I have socks on? I don't think I did. We need a 1348 hand sign. Yeah. Although I think some like airport employee recognized me, which was weird. I don't usually like getting recognized. I'm usually like, leave me alone. Like a 1348 handshake. If you ain't somebody, you're nobody. Yeah, I guess, man. Like, but he was trying to tell me that he was like selling stuff. And I was like, that's cool. That's very interesting. And then he was like, I just work in the store. I'm like, no one talks to you because you have a resting bitch face. That's chill. I mean, you can run that, bro, all day long. I should get one of those. Maybe I just look approachable. 3% Spy Scalp again. Done for the day. 3 for 4. Your only loss was a stop loss set too narrow, which ended up going your way after it filled, unfortunately. There you go, buddy. Fucking love seeing you guys make money. Love this shit. Eli, I think it's a little bit of the news that came out this morning and then just overall sellers coming into the long weekend at these elevated levels. I think that's just kind of what we're looking at across the board. Just kind of all we're looking at there across the board, you know. 13% on Tesla puts. There you go. That slight growl. It's just annoying. Clean 1.5% even. There you go. 125% on the port yesterday and 20% on the port today. I don't know what the fuck you're doing over there, but it sounds like you're doing it right. Oh, wait. That was Daily Cheesecake. Sorry. My bad. I thought you said something. I can't read. I'm bad at reading. Coinbase Shark. Where's this? I mean, this is barely hanging on for dear life here. Spy puts yesterday and today. Nice. There you go. I mean, it sounds like you're full porting, which I would not do. But, you know, if you're not going to listen to me, I mean, I can't help you at that point. Good luck. You wish options didn't have Greeks? Yeah, it happens. It happens. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. What are we gonna get? Cool. Where's the SPY? Flickering, doing a whole lot of nothing. I mean, again, we were looking at that 200 EMA on the 3-minute there as that level couldn't get above. You gonna trade on Friday? No, because the market's not open. So I'm not gonna be doing that because it's impossible, you know? Brian. Mr. Brian. Let's see. Okay. All righty, guys. It's 2:30. We came on about a half hour or 45 minutes early today on the afternoon stream. So that is going to be wrapping it up for us over here. Again, guys, make sure you guys are following me on Rumble. I mean, it's just short the VIX. And be on the lookout at 5:30 Eastern time today. We have a swing trading video coming out for you guys. That was the video that was posted on Rumble a little bit earlier. So if you guys have not seen that one yet, make sure you guys go watch that. It's on Rumble right now, but it's coming out on YouTube a little bit later. I threw the link to the 1348 platform on there for you guys as well in the chat. Everybody gets access to over 90% off their first month. We do have that midweek masterclass tonight with you guys. So I want to see all you lifetimers in 3 years there. That's going to be awesome. We have a lot of really important things to discuss in that stream tonight. And again, for those of you guys on the sidelines here, you have until next Monday in order to hop into 3-year at this low price before it goes up. So team, make sure you guys take advantage of that. You just go to your subscriptions page on platform and you guys are good to go. But team, I will see you guys later. Peace.